Which of the following exhibit cis trans isomerism? ऐसा क्वेश्चन सॉल्व करने के लिए, ऑर्गेनिक के किसी भी क्वेश्चन सॉल्व करने के लिए उसको ओपन स्ट्रक्चर में लिखो. सी इफ यू राइट इट लाइक दिस, सी इट इज CH2 डबल बॉन्ड CBr&H, या sorry CH3. This point is CH3. If there are two groups same on a particular carbon, which is attached directly to the double bond, then it cannot show any isomerism. If you rotate it any direction, it is going to be the same. So no cis, no trans here. So this molecule will not show cis trans isomerism. Similarly, if I have this structure, have a look at this CH3, CH2, single bond CH, double bond CH, CH2, CH3. Matlab this group is having two groups. One is ethyl and the other is hydrogen. Hydrogen and ethyl, this carbon. Yes, they can exhibit. Both the bulky groups are on the same side cis, both the bulky groups are on the opposite side trans. यहाँ पे भी कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं. मतलब this will show cis trans, this will not show. Have a look at this structure. See, this is C double bond C. This is what I am writing. But here I have one ethyl and I have one more ethyl. See, this and this is nothing but this structure is like this. It is like this. It is ethyl. If there are ethyl on both the sides, again, भले इस side पे there is one ethyl and one methyl. This is ethyl and this is methyl. So this carbon again is having two groups which are same. This will also not show cis trans isomerism. बचा क्या? This structure C H double bond C, single bond CH3, C2H5, CH3. If you write it like this, you know one group is H, one group is methyl. One is methyl, one is ethyl. This will show cis trans isomerism. So we should know that across a double bond, on a single carbon, for example, both the groups should be different to show cis trans isomerism. Is this clear? Yes, doubt solving is easy at BCC.